Okay, everyone. So we're going to be trying the Mr. Beast Feastables milk chocolate bar today for the first time. I actually never had these before yet, so we're going to try it out. I mean, nice on the packaging right there, pretty cool. So we're going to see how it tastes, or we're going to taste it. Okay, so here it is. So got Mr. Beast on it. It says it right there. So here you go. Pretty good. Actually, really good. Say I'd give it maybe like a 9 out of 10. Definitely recommend it. Pretty good. So, anyways, thank you for watching.